Frank Lloyd Wright fans, get out your checkbooks. The famed architect's curvy casa in Phoenix has hit the market for $12.95 million, and Spiral supporters are dizzy with excitement. This twisty home was incredibly special for Wright. He designed it for his son David, who lived there with his wife after construction was completed in 1952. Plus, it inspired Wright to design one of the most famous spiral buildings in the world, the Guggenheim Museum in New York City. The 2,553 square foot property offers 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, winding views of Camelback Mountain, and even a guest house. Wright also decorated and built custom furniture for the home. The nearly $13 million price tag includes a sofa, dining table and chairs, and a reproduction of Wright's signature March Balloons carpet. So stop going in circles and take this unique house out for a spin.